Hey you guys, thanks for tuning in to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to curl with the flat irons. This hair, this is the second install from Beauty Forever. So let's see how it does. Alright, these flat irons are about a half an inch. The temperature goes up to 450 degrees. I really like these flat irons because they're not so small and not so big. So when I create the curl, it actually gives me a full volume, full curl, as you can see. So you're just going to continue to curl the hair like so with the flat irons. And I'm not putting any heat protector or anything on the hair now because I don't want the curl crunchy. I'm going to do it at the end. Look at those. Look at that projection. So you want to curl in sections. It actually gives you the opportunity to control the curl and the position and the pattern that you're trying to go in. So just curl in sections. It doesn't have to be neat, but you don't want to grab too much when curling because you do want to also form a nice tight curl that is going to hold.
second install with Beauty Forever. I really love it. The bundles are very full, and I only have 2 bundles in, y'all. And it shows off natural, gives off very, very, very natural vibes. It's really full. It's really full and the curves very cute. This is my second install with it, and I really, really, really love it.